Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Cut-Off, local and long-distance movers near me. Often long-distance shifts become a hefty task when not done correctly. Also, while transporting your items from one place to another, many other charges are levied on you. Hence, hiring a professional mover like 3 Movers is always workable. We have expertise in handling long-distance shifts for over 20 years. Apart from that, we provide insurance on products that are shifted through us, so if any case of wear and tear during transportation, we shall bear the damage under certain terms and conditions. In many cases, even while moving locally, we prefer not to hire a professional mover. Instead, we try to load items on our own, which can result in a waste of time and money. Therefore, it's always recommended to go for a professional mover like 3 Movers. We can also provide you with an ideal experience and help you get the best in-market quotation with every detail mentioned. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cutoff Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.